Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border style with outset value. Quickly, let's check our document and see what we got. Right here we are having our CSS border style with insert value. As you can see, our document is looking nice. Right now, let's use our outset value. Quickly, back to our code. This is our code, and right here let's change this to our outset. Instead of insert, we will call this outset. Let's change this one also. This is our title right here. We want to change it to outset, and we change it to outset. Let's reload our document and see what we got. Can you see? We got this. It's looking nice, right? Our document is looking nice. Just imagine, it's looking nice. Practice this is very important. So let me change this also to our fit set, so you can see how it looks in our fit set. Let's use the one that is having fit set class, so you can see. Let's save our document and reload. The one that is having fit set class is the one that is going to have it. Can you see? This one is having the fit set class. Can you see the way it's looking inside it? It's having our background image, and it's having our what? It's having our outset. Yes, this is our outset border. Our outset. Can you see our outset border style? See the way it's looking nicely in our document. So please practice this, because practice makes perfect. Let me bring this back to our body so you can see how it looks once again. So you can see how it looks once again. When I reload, can you see? It's looking nicely. So practice this, because practice makes perfect. Bring back, I can change this one to, maybe let me give this one 7 or 1. 7 is okay. And see, our document is looking nice, right? Our document is looking nice now. We practice things. That's how you can get some stuff out of it. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial.